Built in 1927, this hotel has become a place not just to rest your head, but also get your belly fed with a less than ordinary menu.
Bison brisket. Oh, that's good though.
Okay, yeah.
But before dinner, let's sit down on the porch and rock a bit with owner Pat Carson.
As I understand, you are the owner of this fine establishment.
Yes.
Also the mayor.
Yes.
And have another job as well?
Yeah,
Doing a
yes,
little something?
Yeah. Not enough hours in the day.
Yeah, I guess not.
But Pat and his wife have found enough time to be the modern stewards of this historic landmark.
Its claim to fame is, and whether it's true or not, I really can't say, but its claim to fame is that it's the oldest continuously operated hotel in Texas.
Okay.
So since 1927, the doors have never shut.
Wow.
There might have been a time or two they should have shut, but they never did. The interesting thing about the hotel for us has been that people from all over the world have either been here or heard of it or randomly come by.
Today, the food is bringing in many a visitor, looking for one of the best meals in the Panhandle.
We can't have a really big menu because we never know if we're going to have 5 customers or 50. So we kind of have to limit what we do.
Sure.
But what we do have is good.
All right, well, the dining room is filling up, the band is playing some ditties, and it's time to get to the full meal. Tonight, it's barbecue, bison burgers, or dun-da-da-da, bison fillets. Oh, yeah.
Oh man, this looks awesome. Look at this. Time to dive in. Look at that baby. Oh dude, that is good. That is incredible. It's super tender like a filet would be, but it's got this richness and meatiness to it. I don't know what it is. I think it may be the fact that I've been hanging out with bison all day, or that this steak is just amazing, but this is one of the best steaks I've ever had. I'm intrigued. I keep going back for bites, thinking that I'll be able to describe why it's different than beef. So I have to just keep eating it until I figure it out. That's the only solution, really.
To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.